Have you been on a jet ski? First thing you want to know, if you're in the water and you're trying to get on your jet ski, you always get on through the back. Once you're on the jet ski, you want to grab your key or your lanyard, which is normally attached to your wrist or to your vest. You want to grab the end of it and you're going to squeeze it in right behind, in this case, this black button on the left side of the wheel. Alright, you're going to squeeze it in. Now that thing is designed to come off in case you go in the water, and it's a kill switch. So basically the machine will go off and you won't have to swim too far to get it. Now in front of that button, you're going to notice a green button. That green button is how you start the jet ski. You just have to press and hold for like maybe 2 seconds. Keep in mind that the jet ski will not start unless that lanyard is attached to the jet ski. So you have to put the lanyard first and then press the green button. As you can see, underneath the lanyard, there's a red button. That's your kill switch as well. If you press it, the jet ski will turn off. So there's 2 ways to really shut it off. Moving the lanyard out of that socket or pressing the red button. Once you start your jet ski, it will move very slowly, almost like a car on drive. So if you want to go faster, you want to look at the right side of your wheel. Your gas or your acceleration looks like a bicycle brake, but it's not. It's quite the opposite. The more you press it, the faster you go. So be gentle with it. Use it gradually. Have fun.